Welcome back to Microlearning English, 5 minutes each day. This is day 4, talking about ability and giving advice. Today, we practice two useful words, can for ability, should for advice. We'll use them like this. I can swim. She can cook. You should rest. He should drink more water. Let's practice together. Present and past. Repeat after me. I can speak English. She can sing well. He can run fast. We can help. They can drive. Again, I can speak English. She can sing well. He can run fast. We can help. They can drive. Again, I can cook. He can fix it. She can dance. He can join us. We can do it. Now with should. You should sleep early. He should eat less sugar. She should take a break. We should be kind. They should listen. Important. There's no S after can or should. Not she can swims. Say she can swim. Not he should goes. Say he should go. Okay, repeat. I can swim. She can speak. He should rest. You should help. Now let's talk about the past. Can becomes could. Should becomes should have. Repeat after me. I could read when I was 5. She could swim last year. He could run faster before. They could speak more before the exam. Now with should. You should have studied more. You should have called. We should have left earlier. They should have waited. I could help. I could not help. She could dance. She could not dance. He should have told me. You should have slept earlier. Don't worry, it takes practice. Let's mix it up. Listen and repeat. I eat lunch. I can cook lunch. She drinks coffee. She should drink water. We watch television. We should sleep earlier. They are tired. They should rest. He was happy. He could smile again. I'm cold. I should wear a jacket. Now from memory, repeat after me. I can help. I could help. You should rest. You should have rested. I can drive. He could drive. She's busy. She should take a break. We are tired. We should sleep. Let's go faster. I can. I could. She should. She should have. He can cook. He could cook. You should call. You should have called. They can help. They could help. We should wait. We should have waited. Say it again. I can try. I could try. He should go. He should have gone. We can speak. We could speak. She should rest. She should have rested. Great job. Now you can give advice and talk about what people can do or could do before. Tomorrow is day 5. We'll talk about plans and decisions using want to, plan to, and need to. Almost there. See you then. Keep practicing.